Hey guys, it's me. Hey guys, today's video is on this little guy in my hand. This is a cicada killer. Cicada killers are a species of wasp that is very similar. Well, no, it's not really similar to them. I was going to say a Pepsi wasp, but not really. They are predatory wasps, meaning that these guys Hey guys, today we are looking at a cicada killer. No, this is not a live one. I wouldn't suggest holding a cicada killer. As you can see, cicada killers are fairly big. Hopefully that's in focus. It's not. Cicada killers are a species of wasp. They can actually be a little bit bigger than this. You can see they are black with brownish wings. They have yellow markings on the abdomen, as you can see. Cicada killers get their name because they actually hunt cicadas. However, the adults do not kill them. You may see these guys carrying around, the females carrying around cicadas. But these cicadas have merely been paralyzed and put into a burrow and then walled up into a cell. Each cicada has been, I'm trying to think how to say it. The cicada has been paralyzed and an egg placed on that cicada. When the egg hatches, it will then provide food. Hey guys, today's video is on the cicada killer, which is a wasp. It is a solitary wasp, meaning that they do not nest like a yellow jacket or a paper wasp. The female will dig a burrow, and within that burrow she may have several eggs. As the name suggests, cicada killers do hunt cicadas. The cicada would be found paralyzed and then taken back to the burrow where the female will lay an egg on it, and then when the egg hatches it will feed on the cicada. They are a solitary wasp, so they do not form a nest like a yellow jacket or hornet or paper wasp. They do live or form burrows in which the female may lay several eggs. Each cicada and egg would be inside a separate cell within that burrow. While they are solitary wasp, you may find several nests/burrows within the same area. They do prefer to make their burrows in sort of sandy soil, loose soil. Something to note, these are large wasp. I'm not sure how big this one is. But you can see, just for identification purposes, it is fairly big. It has yellow markings on the abdomen, as you can see. Males, from what I understand, do not sting. Females, on the other hand, can sting. Cicada killers are known not to be aggressive. I have been very close to a tunnel, or to the burrows. Had them fly past me. Didn't even care that I was there. I am not suggesting that you should, at any point in time, grab a hold of one. I'm not suggesting that you should disturb a female. I'm merely suggesting that they're not overly aggressive. They are a large wasp. Certainly perhaps not as big as a Pepsi wasp, but hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to talk about the I almost said Pepsi wasp, the cicada killer. So let's start off with sort of some basics. Obviously, this is a large wasp. They tend to be black with yellow markings, as you can see. They are a solitary wasp. Although, that being said, they are a solitary wasp, but that being said, you may find several different nests within the same area. They prefer to form their nest, or their... Sorry, somebody is sawing something. I apologize for the noise. They prefer to make their tunnels, their burrows, in sandy soil. So that's a little bit about that. Now let's talk about where they get their name. Obviously, it's because they hunt cicadas. It is a bit of a misnomer, sort of. The females do the hunting, but they do hunt them. And the reason they hunt them is to lay their eggs on them so that the developing larva has food. It's basically the same idea as a Pepsi wasp and a tarantula. The cicada is merely paralyzed, and the larva then actually kills the cicada. That being said, now let's move on and talk about another facet of cicada killers. And I've seen this a lot in different forms, that the cicada killer is harmless. I don't agree with that necessarily. Cicada killers aren't known to be aggressive. They are, however, a large wasp and certainly carry venom. that venom. I've never been stung by one, so I can't say this from my own experience. But it perhaps is stronger than a bee sting, or possibly even a paper wasp sting. They are not aggressive. You could probably go and stand in the same area as a burrow, and the females would just move past you. Don't take my word for that. That's just what I've read. And I've learned in the last couple of years not to totally trust books. But they're not overly aggressive. I've had experience with them moving past me by their hives, not their hives, but their tunnels, their burrows, and not had a problem. I think if that had been a bald-faced hornet, a yellow jacket, a paper wasp, I might have been stung. But that certainly was not the case with these guys. So, yeah, that's a little bit about cicada killers. Maybe you learned something, maybe you didn't. Remember, get outside, experience nature, stay safe, and see you next time.